Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my November haul. It's not November yet, that's why I'm so confused. I have two parcels at the moment. I have this one from Plannerface from, I think it's just a random order actually, and this one from the Colourful & Co anniversary sale. That's got a mystery kitten, so we'll start off with the Plannerface order. I say I get confused by the dates, but that is because I film these from the middle of one month to the middle of the next month. So this is filmed from like the middle of October to the middle of November. So this was my October PR pack. So I only paid $3.95 including shipping for this little order. So I do PR for Plannerface, so I get a discount for promoting her stickers, but that does also mean you can use Tilly10 to save 10% when you are shopping at Plannerface, which is a win-win really. Yeah. So I get a discount and free things for promoting for Plannerface. So I do have a working relationship with her. So this is an ad really. By UK law, I have to tell you it's an ad. Okay, so let's have a little look at what we got. You got a little bit of a sneak peek there. First up, we have my freebie. So this is my current PR freebie. So if you mention me in the notes to sell it, you'll get this. My quote is currently, "She's a badass with a big heart," which I freaking love that quote. And I have basically a bluey, very bluey blue and an orangey yellow. Yeah, and then I've got video games, nap, cuddles and plan. That's that. Then I also got the October order freebie, which is these like foodie soupy type things. And then this journaling card, which is I believe the crisp artwork. So you got the scene on that side, and I think there are different girls. So that's that one. Then I also got more take photo scripts because I do use those every week. And then I also got study scripts because I am revising for an exam at the moment. By the time you see this video, I think the exam is done. But yeah, I'm currently revising for it. Then I also got one of these notepads. This is part of the, I think it's, I can't remember what the collection is called, but there is a collection, and this is sort of Anna's branding bits and pieces. So these are sort of in her brandingness. So we've got the 3 washi tapes, which I will show you swatched out here. So you got this pinky one, the purple based one, and the white one with silver foil that you can just see there. So they are the 3 washi tapes. And then this is the notepad. You get my hair on it already. So you've got a big to-do list down the side, then a must-do, could-do and tomorrow. And I think this is going to be really helpful for on days where I'm really busy and I want a written to-do list rather than a Google Keep one. I did also get one more washi tape, which is this autumnal one. So it's different autumn doodles. Let me see if that's a full repeat. I think it might well be a full repeat. Yeah, so that is a full repeat that you can see there. So it's got gorgeous rose gold foil on. That's just there. So a few beautiful new washi tapes to add to my collection. And then these are the reusable sticker album dividers. And these are a collab between Anna and Joanne of Josephine Bow Designs. They are nice and sturdy plastic. And they are designed just to clip in. So I bought these for this sticker album here, and I just thought I'd show how easily, this is the first time I've looked at them, how easily or how hard they are to put in. So actually I don't want one right at the front because that's the front page. I do want one when I start my half box day extenders. And let's just see how easy or hard this is to clip in. It's not the easiest thing in the world, it's not the hardest thing in the world. It goes quite like, but that's not going to come out anytime soon. So then this is just going to be to split up this sticker album. So I will just speed up quickly whilst I pop them in here. Just to give a completely honest first impressions review, I'm really pleased with the thickness of the plastic. It is nice and thick, but it's not as thick as the cover, so it's not like it doesn't bulk it up too much. They turn really nicely. I have only put 5 in, but that's because that's what I needed for this divider. So yeah, I'll let you know what I think longer term. I did find them a little bit hard to push in, so just take your time and don't rush like I was doing because you will bend the plastic a little bit. But as you can see, my sticker album is a bit bent from use, so maybe if you look after your sticker album a bit better, it'll be a bit easier to put them in. So that is my little Plannerface order. Let's move on to my huge Colourful & Co order. This is a chonker. I do have a code for Colourful & Co, which is Tilly10. I don't get a discount for promoting or anything, I just have a discount code because Beth is the best human ever. So as I said, I don't PR for Beth of Colourful & Co, but she is a good friend, so I do have a code which is Tilly10. to use it at her shop, or you can use Courtney Plans or Raya Plans code, and yeah, to get a freebie as well. But I bought this in her anniversary sale, so I got the anniversary discount. So yeah, that's what we're having a little look at here. She's also thrown in some other bits which are from Beth herself, which she has just sent me. So we'll go over the Colourful & Co stuff, and then we'll come back to this little stack here. First up, well, I have 2 sets of all of these washies here. I have opened and swatched one set to show you properly, but I did buy 2 sets. But yeah, we don't need both sets in shot right now, but let us zoom in a tiny bit. There we go. These are the washies. So these are her branding colour washies. So if you look at her business card, you can see they are the 3 colours of the branding there, which are absolutely gorgeous. So here they are swatched, and they do have beautiful silver foil. I'm sure you can see that very well in the video. So that is these ones here, which I can't remember what they're called. It's Balloons Blue, I can't remember. There's Balloons, yeah. And then we also have the Crystal Washi Tape, Crystal and Coffins Washi Tape, which I've just swatched at the bottom here. So they are the washi tapes, absolutely gorgeous. This one is by far my favourite, just because, you know, I love a good ombre. Then let's get into some freebies. So here are all of the freebies I got with the order. So you've got this journaling card, which is a gorgeous, I don't know where she gets her journaling cards done, but I love the print quality of them. They are stunning, they feel gorgeous. So you've got 2 different girls on either side there. Then I've got a Planners in Crime freebie, a By Gem Designs freebie, Hazy Days UK, Plannerface, Dorky Planner Girls, and Chloe Louise Design. Then I've got some 3-year anniversary boxes. So there's this little tiny freebie, like normal freebie size really, the size of my freebies, with a full box, 2 quarter boxes, some flags and a habit tracker. Got these 2 alternate skin tone boxes there, and then we've got another 4 full boxes on here and 2 third boxes. And then I also got this die cut, which is of the flowers in a little stack. So that is my freebie stuff. On to my actual order. Oh no, this is a freebie as well. This is the 3-year anniversary sheet, and this has loads of the Ezio and Fawns. So you've got the birthday, the laptop, the planner, the hair wash, the Christmas, and then those all in the smaller format as well. Speaking of speaking of Ezio and Fawn, I bought a load as well. So I bought all of the laptop sheets. So I bought them in mixed and little only. So I got the Brights Ezio, Neutral Ezio, and Ezio Pastel. Then I got Ezio Nap as well, in big and small, mixed and small, and then Fawn in the same as well. So we've got Fawn Brights, Fawn Neutral laptops, and Fawn Pastel. So this is the mix sheet, the little sheet, and then she also does a sheet of all the big ones, and then the Fawn Nap in big and mixed and little. So they are all of my dinos, my new Ezio and Fawns. I absolutely love these. They are some of my favourite character stickers. And then the last bit I'm going to show in this segment of the video, I do have the mystery kit to show, but I will show that at the end, is this monthly kit, which you'll have already seen me use to set up November. And so that is just the Dear Autumn budget kit there. Cool, so now I'll show you the stuff Beth sent me that is not from her shop. She bought one of the SPC de-stash mailers and just sent me some of the stuff she got in it she didn't want. So I have this blue twinkle, so I've got the corners, circle icons, headers, it's a wiggle, isn't it? That's what she calls them. Full box overlays, cut out icons and tinies, and the bottom washi overlay. And I also have that in the same format in Sparkly Hollow. Yeah, there you go. You can tell it's Sparkly Hollow there, and it's the same format, so I'm not gonna sit too long on that, but they are those. And then she also sent me one of the matte wiggles, and this is marble and gold. So on this you get date covers, headers, flags, circle icons, and washi. Again, I'll just pull that in with some kits. And then I don't remember asking for these, but she has sent me a load of square boxes in premium matte. These are some of my favourite things to use. So I've got spring, pastel, and summer there, and they are from Plannerface. lots of stuff there. But yeah, that's all for now. I'll be back with some more stuff, and then I'll be back with mystery stuff later. Okay folks, I am back with the second part of my haul, and I have two things from Plannerface to show you. One I'm not even showing properly, so we'll start with that in fact. This is just my, whatchamacallit, what is this? Seriously, what are the words? Why are the words failing me? Advent calendar from Plannerface. I'm not going to open it up because I'm going to be opening it during Vlogmas, assuming I'm going to do that. I'm still 50-50, but I just wanted to show you how it's packaged and beautiful and things. So we have this Create a Life You Love postcard, and it's just a thank you, little sneak of the colour scheme and things, and a thank you and a suggested way of opening it. I'm also getting Beth of Colourful & Co.'s Advent. So, yeah, there'll be that to, I don't know, I'm going to switch between them each day and do the, like, 1st to the 24th, I think, is the plan. I need to actually check when these are. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah, that was right. I was right about things. 10, 11, 12. So yeah, they're both 12-day advents. So these are the actual parcels, and I'll just run through, you know, the sort of size of them and things. So it feels like it says this 1, 2, which looks like, so this is like, I don't know, could have die cuts or something in. This could maybe have, I don't know, quarter size sheets. This is thicker. This feels like some sort of notepad or something. Another quarter size sheet thing. This is like a large sheet. I don't know what sheet, but that's like a large sheet size. This is thicker, so maybe that's die cuts, I don't know. Or, I don't know. I don't know what that one is. Another like smallish envelope. 2 more quarter sheet size-ish things. This feels like a quill at this side, so maybe, don't know. I have a real suggestion of what that might be, but I'm not going to say. Then I reckon one of these is a kit, and I don't know what the other one is. Probably another large sheet. So they are just going to live at the side of my thing, and I'm going to be sharing it through Vlogmas, my opening of the Plannerface Advent. So that's there. And then the last but not least thing I have is just a very small Plannerface order. This is just some stickers I was low on, so I purchased. Very boring, but I needed them. So then what do we have here? Oh bless. So where am I at? Freebie wise, I seem to have 2 PR freebies, bless her. So this is the crisp artwork journaling card again there. Then we have Plannerface little freebie. I'm going to zoom in a tiny bit more. There we go. We have Plannerface October freebie there, and I always love that their months are like cut out on there, and we've just got some doodles. Then I have Kat's PR freebie and Natalie's PR freebie there. And then I just got some more sheets of the tea bag and the coffee cup icons because I'm running low on them. And that is everything for this haul. Okay, so now we are on to mystery stuff. The first mystery thing I have to show you is the mystery kit from Colourful & Co. I'm just taking this out the front. And I haven't seen this yet. I have a guess at what the artwork is, but we will see. So you will get my honest reaction in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, so I think it's a road trip. Like that was my prediction, but we'll see. I did have a bit more of a hint than you guys. So you got this journaling card, and again, she's got these like, it's like matte. Oh, and you've got Loki on a bed in a camper van. That's so cute. So let's have a little look at the full kit. Okay, so it's called Highland Van Life. Ooh. So we've got some extra, are these full boxes or are these just, they're like Polaroid? I'm so confused by what these are. They're like Polaroid die cut, but they are stickers, I think. But they're bigger than a full box. Beth, help, what are these? I think they're just like meant to be Polaroid stickers. I think they're stickers, like Polaroids. Yeah, they are stickers. So you've got road trip memories, hiking with Loki, and a camper van. So it's like, yeah, Highland van life. So these are your 4 boxes, and I love that you've got I think that says Ezio? Yeah, you got an Ezio. Oh, and a stack of books there. So you have going for a walk with Loki sleeping on the van. Got this gorgeous scene of the road trip with Loki just poking in the corner there, looking at a map, inside of the camper van with some tea, coffee, Ezio on some books, Highland cow, that must have taken forever to draw, and a gorgeous fashion girl in the woods there. So Beth's format is a 3-page kit, but I do know this came with lots of extra bits and pieces. So you have your washi here, and I love that yellow, and things there. Got your boxes page here, and then this came with like an extra mystery page. So you got lots of little sized things, some more third boxes, some quarter boxes, and some squared off boxes as extra. Then you get a whole other sheet of 4 boxes. Oh my gosh. So there are 16 4 boxes there. And I am in love with this. This is really gorgeous. Got some people walking down there. You've got Fawn showing up in the camper van. Highland cow on thing. Ezio sitting at the table. Got a zoomed in version of Loki on the bed. Some of the pillows. Pouring some tea. Yeah. Oh god, there are so many. Then you get another add-on 4-box page with all of the different camper vans from the outside with the Scottish Highlands on. Oh wow. And there are even more 4 boxes behind this. So there's some alternate skin tones and also some like half of this, like the middle bit of this 4 box as well there. So oh my gosh, so many 4 boxes. You could use this for a very long time. I might have to ask Beth nicely whether she will make me some additional boxes to match it, because there is so much there. I love this so much. It's stunning, and I cannot believe how much she has included in this. Wow. Thank you so much, Beth. I adore this so much. Okay, so I got various bits and pieces in this haul. No kits, which is a change from last month when I bought all of the kits. It's funny how things seem to go like that. This month I seem to buy all of the washi instead. Or all of the like additional other things. I got like my dividers, a load of washi, and character stickers mostly. So yeah. Okay, so that is everything for this haul. Loads of washi, gorgeous dividers, and this daily notepad that I've still not started using. Some lovely Ezio and Fawns, and some Plannerface bits and pieces to doodles as well. Let me know down below what your favourite thing I bought this month was. I think mine has to be the mystery kit, which isn't in this little flat lay, from Colourful & Co. I'm super excited about the advent, but I feel like I can't comment on that yet because, you know, I haven't opened it yet. In fact, let's just pop that up there. So yeah, that's all I've got for this video. Comment, like down below if you enjoyed it. Let me know what your favourite thing is. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!